that's not what the video is about, is me walking, showing my feet, but this is a walking video. I haven't done one in a while, but I do have something to say to those out there that are walkers like me, or you're wanting to do the walking thing. Today is about your walking shoes, okay? Not every pair of shoes you buy are going to work with your feet. Even though they're brand spanking new shoes and they cost a small fortune, trust me, my friends, not all of them are going to work. And that's what today's video is about. I bought my Brooks shoes here. I can't remember 100% the name of them is. Back about, I don't know, you guys seen the video when I bought it. Well, they were expensive like all the other pair of shoes I get. Well, these are killing my feet. Every so often when I buy a new pair of shoes, they don't work for me. Now, I do get my full walk in because I'm too stubborn to stop, and it kills my feet. So not every pair of shoes. Now, what can you do though? My wife always says, well, you should walk around in the store a little bit further to make sure the shoes are gonna work. Nuh-uh, that don't work, because you're walking around a carpet. The only true way to find out these shoes work is go out and do a couple miles in them. Then you will know, but you know you can't do that, because the second you step on pavement, they won't take them back. So what does that mean? That means you're stuck with them. Either if you're lucky enough to be able to go out and buy another pair, that's awesome. Me, I have got lucky in the past and was able to return them, but these ain't gonna be able to be returned because walking in all this muck that I've been walking in the last many days has got them all nicked up already. So yeah, that means you're stuck with them. And you're stuck with them until you wear them down and it's time to buy another pair of shoes. In my case, that's anywhere from 3 to 4 months. But not every pair of walking shoes is going to work. Now, my last pair I got, they were brand new. Well, when I bought them brand new, duh, Mike. The last pair I bought, they were awesome. And the pair before them, which were identical, they were awesome. Why I didn't buy the identical pair this time is beyond me. Immediately, I had no problems with them. But many times in the past, I bought new shoes for walking, and they turned out to kill my feet. Oh my God, these are not bunion friendly, and the arches in my feet are killing me, and even the top of my foot on the right side is killing me. And they already been broke in, my friends. You know, that's what somebody, I think it was Ange said the other day, maybe you need to break them in more. I was like, honey, I got probably over 50 miles on them already. They're already broke in. So guys, for you walkers out there, the only piece of advice I can give you is if you find a pair of walking shoes that work out good for you, stick with them. You would think I would have learned this lesson by now, as many years as I've been a walker, but I haven't. No. I kind of did learn the lesson, but when I went to buy these shoes, I was like, oh my gosh, I buy Brooks no matter what, right? And this is a newer kind of Brooks, and it's in my price range. These might be really good, they're up to date. And that's how I fall, that's what gets me. Then to get out here and do what I'm doing, I questioned myself why I did. Yeah. Okay guys, the next video may be another low-key video like this, as we got a lot of yuck coming. Oh my God, do we ever. We have, this is what they say, a snowstorm from hell coming. And ice, power outages. They claim we're gonna get 6 to 12 feet of snow. I believe it when I see it, but just in case, if we get that much stuff, I ain't gonna be able to walk. And that sucks. But guys, until next time, please take it from me, stick with the shoes that work. Don't be like me multiple times to get the wrong pair of shoes, because my feet kill me now. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here.